As you approach this impressive Crestfield floor plan, you can't help but stop and gaze at the craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into the brick and stone masonry exterior. As soon as you step through the elegant double-door entrance, you'll be in awe of this more than 4,200 square foot home and what it has to offer. With its open floor plan, high soaring ceilings, and beautiful hand-scraped hardwood floors, this home will exceed your expectations. The large family room with its Texas-sized stone fireplace flows right into the gourmet kitchen, equipped with everything you could need to create the perfect meal for any occasion. The kitchen amenities include granite countertops, a chef's island, stainless steel appliances, beautiful custom cabinetry, a large pantry, and a spacious breakfast nook, and the formal dining room is also perfect for entertaining. Just off the family room, you'll find an impressive owner's suite with large bay windows. The master bath will make you feel as though you have your own private spa, complete with deep jetted tub, oversized separate shower, dual vanities with granite countertops, and a massive walk-in closet. As you make your way to the top of the curved staircase, you'll find a large game room and an additional 4 bedrooms. For the movie lovers, one of the bedrooms can be upgraded to an elegant media room that comes pre-wired for surround sound. This wonderful Crestfield floor plan can be built in most of our First Texas communities.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.